Alright, yo, what's up, YouTube? I hope y'all doing good. And we're back with One Night at Barney's. We're on night 2, or hour 2, or something 2. We're at 2 o'clock. So, we got Big Bird, the skeleton, and Barney, the main character of this whole shit show. So, let's try to get 3 likes. Oh shit, that skeleton bird. I honestly forgot like basically all their names, but I think we have Big Bird now. There's Barney, shocker. We need stuff. Pick up. If it wants to give me stuff, hi, how you doing? Still creeps me the hell out. Still creep me out, I don't know why. Oh shit, found the bird. Yellow bird. What's up, Barney, how you doing? Wait. Yeah, there's Barney again. You should really start checking these things, in case they want to pop out and scare the fuck out of me. Okay, we're straight. They ain't littering, that's good. Batteries, we want batteries. Want more batteries. Okay, I should start checking. Oh shit! He got a little too close for me. I'm gonna be honest with you, that's a little in my personal bubble. And keep our personal space. Yeah. Where's Big Bird now? Let me cap Big Bird real quick. You haven't got Big Bird yet. You know, just might as well shoot a shot in the vent to let them know not to fuck with us. Saw the light go off. I don't know where Big Bird is. Come on. Where's Big Bird at? Big Bird. I got some bird seeds. 3 bird seeds. Wait, Big Bird's still there? Okay. Doing good. Already halfway through the night. Or the hour, I mean. Why y'all keep fucking with my cameras? Nope. You're not touching me in my personal fucking bubble. Okay, so Big Bird's left again. Y'all suspected. Yo, Big Bird's gotta come through the vents. Unless Big Bird's a little bitch. You at, Big Bird? But where's Big Bird at? Oh shit, our time's getting fucked up. Okay. 39. Ooh, this is intense. Come on. Hey, let's get through the hour. Oh shit, wait. God God damn it! Shit! Alright, let's try that again. So it's just these 3 characters. You just gotta make it through the night. Oh, I think we lost all our progression. That was a fucking lie. You ask me. Bunch of bullshit. I know how to play. We're a pro at this shit. Look for stuff. Our goal is to make it to to make it past 2 o'clock, I mean. Come on, where you at? Gonna chill here. Doing the system. Doing our daily duties. Good employee, trying to get that monthly promotion. Oh wait, shit, gunpowder there. Or, yeah, I'm gonna call that gunpowder because I don't know what it. I'm about to be month of the employee of the month. Alright, Barney's on the move. Was cool. Moving. Nice and light. Gonna watch him watch us. We're gonna watch each other. We're not gonna fuck with my cameras, Barney. God damn it. Stop trying to fuck with me now. Come on, reboot. I think we just need to get a tech guy out here, honestly, if our cameras keep breaking like this. Shit. Reboot them every fucking time. This gotta be like the worst fucking prison ever. I mean, this shit's trashed. We got a janitor or some shit? I'm just the security guard, you know? Can I play a video game? Looks like a decent PC, honestly. I mean, they can afford some decent shit. What's up, Barney? Turn the lights on. Half an hour in, basically, if you do the rounding and the math. Half an hour in. Where's Barney's purple ass at? We found Barney. Dun 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 dun. Gotcha. Alright. If we can can't upgrade shit. Alright. Got something, got some stuff. I see you in the corner. All the batteries in the corner. Yeah. Now we working with stuff. Alright, so I can't pick nothing of that up. We make anything now? Can increase the mag. Can do 4. Yeah, neat. Oh yeah, we just. I wish there was a way to make this go faster. I just want to cap Barney a couple times, you know? Taking forever, god damn. Okay. I don't know why we don't pick up the fucking. Oh shit, I saw him. Nah, I know y'all saw that. Can Barney? I mean, it's the first night. I don't think they would let him come through the vents. Alright, so he's there again. Okay, cool. You're not really helping yourself by just standing there, but you know. Smile for the camera. Probably had some bad picture days if you ask me. Shoot him. Bullets. Make sure he stays down. I saw the light flicker. Come on. Give me Barney or give me Big Bird. Alright, so he's in there, chilling, doing his thing. You know what a Barney usually does? Shocker. Saw that coming, not me. Done. I don't know what that means. Increase robot time. We're gonna do cameras. Yeah. Come on, let's pick the pace up. I want to get past 2 a.m. No, god damn it. Give me this. Give me this. Yeah, he's there. Chilling in his cell where he's supposed to be. Not outside his cell. There's like nothing in here. There's never anything in here for me to click. Big ass forehead. Chill here. Goes out. And it went out. Hey, we made it. Gotta deal with her. Biscuit. You went on a diet. You went on a diet, or the bird. I don't know what. That's this night, and then move on. I wish I had a partner in crime or like a work employee buddy, man. It gets lonely in this office. You can tell I've clearly left. They left this place a fucking mess for me. Expect me to clean this shit up? I think the fuck not. Check our rights, check our lefts, check our ups. I don't see no one. I'm so lonely. I got nobody. I wonder if that song's like in a drill remix or something, man. I think that song would pop off if it was a drill. God damn. Oh, you got some neck problems. Shit. Oh, fuck. All the cameras are down now. Check our rights. Check our lefts. Okay, so I think... Yep, this side. Gotcha. Too easy. Come on. Oh, steel. I apologize if I'm like missing stuff that's in the obvious like those, but I mean, look how like they're just hidden so damn well. And honestly, I'm just trying to get to night 2 as fast as possible. Alright, basically halfway through second hour. I got a promotion since last video. Instead of getting $7.50 an hour, I'm getting $10 an hour. Oh wait, is this stuff? Oh! From the corner of my eye, I caught that in my peripheral. Oh, caught it. No. Batteries, thank you. Hey, dude, you're chilling over there. I wonder what I did to piss him off. Like, I'm just the night watch. No? I'm just here to watch you guys. Ain't no reason to attack me. Shit. Uh-huh. Oh, shit. No. God damn it. Come on. Yeah, you're there. Going nowhere. Oof. It was close. They were both very close. Barney was closer though. I gotta give it to Barney on this one. Come on. I like the little smiley face right here. Nice little touch. Still nothing. Wonder if there's anything in there. No. 20 bucks says he's gonna pop his head out. Yeah. Alright, almost there. We're almost there. Come on. I'm trying to click on the fucking Rubik's Cube, man. I'm bored waiting for them. Taking forever. Yeah, there's a skeleton. Okay, 147. I just need to hold it down to let it reload. Oh. Yo, I'm too good. Alright, there's Barney. Alright, the other one at. Come on. I see you. I know you see me too. Alright, just gotta make it 5 more minutes. More mementos. On. Batteries. If we can't get any more stuff before Big Bird wants to come. No, you're not gonna give me anything else? Let's go! We made it tonight too. Alright. Do this. Yep. Alright. Showtime, people! This is what we've been training for. We gotta keep our eyes peeled. Alright, let's go look in the book for a minute. Always gotta look in the book. Alright, there's the skeleton. No, good. Barney's right there. Okay. Okay, you're there. Shit, man, they're moving quick! Okay, you're still there, you're still there, you're still there. Okay, who's here, who's here? Okay, you're there, that's cool, that's cool. Stay there. My moment. This is what gets me Employee of the Month. If I make it past this night, Employee of the Month, right here. Batteries. Got it. Okay, where is everyone at? Okay, you're there. Come on. Can't do nothing. What's going on? Ah, shit. Oh, shit. Okay. Check the vents. Vents clear. Alright. Need Big Bird now. Where's Big Bird at? Come on. Where's Big Bird? Show yourself. Know you're here somewhere. Come on. Only 2 minutes in. Ah, fuck the cameras, man. Oh, man. Oh. Okay. Okay, keep looking. Stay on our feet. Stay on our toes. Did I get it? Did I get Big Bird? Oh man, I'm gonna run out of ammo. Alright, there's Barney. We have Barney's down, Barney's down. Oh shit. Oh, okay, we got Big Bird. Come on, just give me the batteries, that's all I want. Crap. Come on. I don't know what to do. I'm rebooting. Shit. Bro. Alright, well, if y'all like this episode, please like, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if y'all want to see more of this game or a different game. I hope y'all enjoyed. Take care and peace.